baby. Stand Up Nigeria. Produced by Boomy Davis.
Now is the rave of the moment. The MD CEO of the House of Roro. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the mighty Akbar Roro in the building. Hey! Akbar Kichai! Hey! 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 Hands.
Oh, brother, wait. And those are twerking and some men where they in the mood go say, oh my God. Boomy Davis, can I have his number? Before you collect my number, now God go kill you. Even now you're yet now you want to me. Eh? For all the ajabo they're waiting for front. One picky run come with me and say, Okokporo, do you know my name? I nearly want to tell and say, you would have be prophet. You know your problem, come with me first, Fago, know your problem. But you look at saying a small begin. But not you want to tell them. My name is called Akbar Raro. They come out with too much swag and too much anointing. I come here today now, I wear chain for neck. I remember when I start, I wear bead. And I make Boomy Davis anytime, I go just play him, say, Oga, make I go show respect for what this grant give me. We cannot be play, level change, yeah? You understand? Not be joke. So not be joke. So I'm so happy. So all the players they want to start now, so they find that they go. They do them back to back. Me not be like say quarter go there. Before Boomy Davis go turn to prayer warrior. Father, block the blessing. So before I go to that prayer point, I take this hotel, they so sit down so that when he say Father, block. Now God they tell us say, my son, he don't pay the price. Do not think of. No time. I jump about to talk about ladies and I say packaging. No joke. No joke. Some girls they price. Now, they won't beg mothers and make they teach young girls how to cook. You think they vex me? Some girls don't sabi cook at all. And do they make younger? One they tell me, do you know me? You know? Do you know? I say yes. I know you not sabi cook. Idiot, you sabi cook? Eh? Now make a proof that to you. Mothers them, see the way that they cook. Under 15 minutes, food are done. I mean, know. Because they know they fry. Young girls, hi. I see one girl they cook a goosey soup, like say she they fry egg. She come with the turn out, and they look at she try and go, wow! Cause oh my God! She would do stuff, wow! I say, see idiot. At the end with the shop the goosey soup, it be like, oh God. They need to learn how to. Some now makeup, there's a bit just to do makeup. Do here, come here. And you know when they're not in front of mirror like this, hey, when you get bath in you can't say in front of mirror. And you know, say that mirror now they tell you, say some place are they spoil for their body. Ah, Jesus, my ear, Jesus. I talk and say this cream, this woman put at a rodo, which can, oh God. If you want turn, remember say eczema for the basket. He said, oh Jesus. Make I look the one go make me the happy. Ladies, they're worst. And now, Kevin said they talk about prayer. Say, Father, poo. You don't see prayer point. Other way they talk now, worry now. Worry. You get some things when not they work there. All these women of God, they say, do something crazy for the Lord. Not for not before worry. Worry now, we don't want to say, talk to your neighbor and tell your neighbor something will happen to you now. I told look the worry boy, I say, something will happen to you now. I'm not saying I die a day. The worry boy look me smile. Now the boy asks me, you mean him? I don't understand. I say something will happen to you now. Brethren, in all these 2 minutes, my phone lost. Now hold the guy. I say, I know say pastor say something will happen now. We go die here. If you not, we kill ourselves here if you not give my phone. Worry. Hey! Now so one guy. Now let me, if your head, I thought you talk this thing for years and I'm not going to stop. God not create us to the smoke igbo or cigar. Because to say God create us more the smoke will get us. For back of our head, where the smoke will the pass come out. Now so one guy hold look while they go smoke, follow people with their head carry and your head not carry, but I make mad pass. Before he hold the igbo, he don't tell people, say, guy, you don't smoke. Now I they smoke down, I say, guy, relax. You see this my hand? Now go fire reason. Now one night they say, hey, he said, guy, I don't take. He gave me the smoke rich, I know they use hand. My hand pits, they do the work. I kill myself here. Now they give I go, while they go. You know, so while they go the site, I see Holland draw the first one. The people they wait me smoke come out for a mouth. They don't see him. They just say they come out for ear, and I ear do tap. The thing climb, go ahead, now knock here. Only one got there like this. The mumuna no say head don't knock on night. They call it Ogali. How come you got torn now? They see you for up. You wear parachute. That one side there for grand here now. Where they look? He said, not be you they fly so. Now plane where they pass night they call human. Oh, he head don't knock. Only one day that we are dead. Police, you not take police. Yeah. The people with their head carry and they take off. The guy with head don't knock. He got the tiptoe. But for his mind, he they run. Only one they do like this. He come with the press and says, oh boy, are they run? And the table says, them both not get speed. That's how they lie. See race. Oh boy, see my speed. Police will want to arrest and destroy the fallen. Say, no, what they leave him. I don't want to fall on this front. Only one tiptoe the night to enter police motor. The van, cause sedan. Another police turn just say, young man, what I do here? Now they shall say, shh. Police, they come, he go arrest you. You know, no say, Doc Chris. You love Akbar. Say, Akbar. Can you turn to your neighbor and say, Akbar? I can hear you say, Akbar. Do your mouth the way they do my mouth. Say, Akbar. Akbar.
Wadabi, Stand Up Nigeria, produced by Boomy Davis.
Now be play. Now you go see some girls, they package. Everybody want do hair. Say, oh my, I need to look good. Hello, as in me. Tracy, oh my. My landlord picking, see where they do like this for film. She not know saying that for people who get long hair. She carry low cut. She see they do like this. Now me go meet her say, you go just kill yourself with headache. We had the hair where you the shake now, where you want to kill yourself now. Guess the package. And now, I love Okoko. Because people they complain, say, why you not want to come out there? He not concern you. I don't tell you tire. Okoko they near border. We not pray for bad thing, but before anything happen for this country, before una way there go run reach Okoko, we now let go to Congo. We don't go far. That place I love and die. Okoko, hey, not be what they watch. Say we not go say na madman. Madman just they shout hot blues. We they shout the fallen for life. Hot blues for life. Hot blues with the fallen from Okoko. It just say I notice the breeze where they touch me change. When I look welcome to Benin. The man you're like, for fraud. I say, my brother, madman with this. Now, coconut son eats one madman. You know, say, you get the way son go hit you. Even you go confused. Son hits the madman. We there for bus stop. They wait for bus. We see madman only one. They walk up past us like this. Cotton. Now I do like this, come back. We dey look am, we not talk. Do to say never near our lane. We say more just more quiet. He pass. The song he ties up now the guy shout, oh God! What it be this? This song go make person crazy. So I say you don't the crazy since. We know you for this, but not confuse our life. Another thing made me like Okoko. I mean, I know say, you know say army. All these police are go they show themselves. They not they try harm me. Now Coconut where they slap person, his voice lost. Follow me, man. They, young man, you can't do me anything. You can't do me anything. You can't. Boah! The guy just turned.
Stand Up Nigeria, produced by Boomy Davis.